Hi, it's Kaz Simpson here from Special Projects Group, and we're going to be analysing a video of a sporadic attack in Toronto in 2015 involving this guy here, Sean O'Neill. He turns a corner, IDs is one of 4 victims, which is John Tedesco out for a run. Unfortunately attacks him, manages to puncture his back. Luckily though, John makes a full recovery. He's just about to get into a cab there. Interestingly enough, Sean is a paranoid schizophrenic and relapsing in substance abuse and treatment, and he actually thinks that he's out to thwart a sex ring, to be honest. So he spots his next victim, who is a ballerina heading towards ballet school, closes in the distance, and then shoots for an attack and punctures her right lung. Now, so one of the key indicators that we have for sporadic attacks is what this person is doing right now. So this is classed as rehearsal-like behaviour. Now, rehearsal behaviours is very useful for our operatives to detect when people are carrying something that they shouldn't be carrying, or they're carrying something that's linked to a specifically stressful or conflicting task. And we use it for hidden weapons predominantly, but specific to carrying weapons in this case. So he's literally rehearsing the strikes. So he's swinging, he's very elated, he's looking forward to what he's ultimately going to be doing. And then he turns the corner here and identifies John Tedesco. Surprised, he makes himself look as big as possible, and then goes in for an attack. And it's a real big swing as well that he goes in. He's very elated now. He's doing target scanning, witness scanning again. And he's frantic, almost running through the city. He doesn't really have any care for any obstacles. Look, he drops his scarf just there as well. And he's travelling in a very sporadic manner, like even going onto the middle of the street as well. Notice how that changes though at this point. So he's identified his next target. His chin goes down. Notice that he's got tension all in his shoulders. His rehearsal behaviour, it's kind of masked, but it is still there. He's still definitely presenting that weapon. The next key thing is a diagonal method of travel. So people use this to close in between the attacker and the victim in as most economical way possible and without drawing too much attention. So they tend to diagonal their way across. So they're almost feinting one direction of travel. So the way that his body axis is pointing is telling everyone that he's going straight ahead, but in actual fact he's going to be closing in to attack his victim. And again he takes another wide stance, a bit of a swing back, and eventually strikes her. So as a bit of a recap then, in this video we've looked at some of the top indicators for sporadic attacks, and they are rehearsal-like behaviour, so that mimicry that you're going on, the placing of the weapon, that type of thing. Your sporadic directions of travel, like so their brains are flooded with adrenaline and they're not really thinking straight. Target scanning, witness scanning behaviour, again, so you're looking out for people that head will be darting all over the place. Misplaced tension along either one side of the body, of the shoulders, or both sides of the body as well. If this video has been useful, then you'll be able to find out more information at specialprojectsgroup.org. Feel free to like, subscribe and share this video as well to raise awareness. Thanks.